I'm going to show you exactly how to export your Canva Sheets file with a simple step-by-step method that makes it easy to use in other platforms like Excel or Google Sheets, even if you've never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, open your sheet file on Canva. Once it loads, go to the top right corner and click Share, then hit Download. Now here's the tricky part. The features and visuals in Canva may not fully transfer to other Sheets platforms like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. It's important to know which tool you'll be using to open the exported file so you can plan accordingly. If you download your sheet as a CSV and open it in Microsoft Excel, you'll see that colors, dropdowns, and other formatting won't appear. That's because CSVs are comma-separated values, which only keep plain text and numbers. If you want to preserve dropdowns, colors, and other Canva features, choose XLSX as the file type instead. While the formatting might look a little different, the functionality remains intact. You can still use dropdowns, adjust alignment, font size, and make other changes to match your original Canva design. Note, however, that you won't be able to add new drop-down options or delete existing ones. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You can now access your Canva Sheets offline without logging in while keeping most of the design and functionality intact. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.